welcome to our channel. Welcome to the lavish experience. If you are a first timer, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for new uploads. So today I'm going to be doing a keratin treatment on my client. I'm going to be using the Trissola True Plus system, and I started off with shampooing the client's hair with their prep shampoo. It is a clarifying shampoo and used to remove any particles that may be on the hair prior to the application of the keratin treatment. So here you see me separating the client's hair. I'm going to separate it in 6 sections, making it workable for me. And also I'm going to be blow drying the client hair on cool to get it to about 70% dry. The hair should be 70% dry when prepping for the keratin treatment. Now I'm prepping the first section. As you can see, I'm going to do a light detangle on the hair, just making it easier for me to move the keratin solution through the client's hair. I'm going to be using a color brush, and I'm just going through, parting it, making sure that each section has ample amount of the keratin without oversaturating the hair. You don't want to oversaturate it with the solution, because then it becomes harder and it takes longer for you to dry the hair out once you get to the next step. Okay, so talking about the next step, they actually recommend that you blow dry each section after applying the solution. I'm doing it a little different. As you can see, I'm going to apply the solution to each sections, and once I'm done with all the sections, then I'm going to go back through the hair and blow dry. The benefit of this is actually giving the hair a chance to process the keratin treatment prior to blow drying, and it also helps for the hair to kind of like dry out a little bit before using the blow dryer, because anyone who has done keratin treatment, especially with these steps, you know that the blow drying process is very tedious and it takes a long time because you're doing it on cool. So now that I've applied the keratin to each section, I'm going to go in with the blow dryer and really try to dry those sections out. As stated before, you have to use the blow dryer on cool and try to get the sections as dry as possible. once this section is blown out, we're going to move into the flat ironing phase. And this is where I do not recommend this particular system for people with kinky, curly, or coily hair who want to maintain their curls. For this particular part of the keratin application, I have to flat iron the hair about 10 times at the roots and 6 times at the ends, which can cause heat damage, severe heat damage for kinky, curly, and coily hair. So once the flat iron process is complete, I'm going to have to take the client and we move back to the bowl. The purpose of this is to rinse out the solution that is on the client's hair and also apply the Trissola hair mask, which is the last step. After rinsing this out, you style the hair as usual. This client got a blowout and this is the final results. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.